You can improve the performance of your computer by defragmenting your hard disk. You must be logged on to your computer or network as an administrator in order to defragment your hard disk. In order to do that, we click on the Start button, select Programs, File Groups, select Accessories, and if you don't see the list of all available programs, just click off this specific down arrow, and then if it's not basically displayed, by just positioning the mouse over the bottom of the menu, you can display all available options as I showed you. You can select System Tools, and you could select Disk Defragmenter. The Disk Defragmenter windows appear. Within this area, you could see all available drives located on your computer. You can click the drive you want to defragment. In this scenario, I choose drive F. To determine if the drive needs to be defragmented, you can select Analyze. By clicking on the Analyze button, basically you have Windows operating system to start doing the analysis on your disk before the defragmentation occur. As you see, within this area, you can see a legend. The legend indicates what each color represents. You have the legend at the bottom, and as you see, the blue area says that you have contiguous files. That's a good sign. The red specific color over here says you have some fragmented files. So let's check to see if drive F has any fragmented files. If you do see a red area, that means you should go ahead and defragment your hard disk. So we wait a little bit longer to see what would be the analysis report say. The analysis is complete now for this specific drive, and it says that this volume does not need defragmenting, just because only a small little area over here has defragmentation. Still, you have a choice to click Defragment, or you could select View Report. In order to defragment the drive, all you need to do, select Defragment. Let's first take a look at the report by clicking on View Report. Basically, it shows that analysis is completed. It doesn't need defragmentation. It shows some information about the size of the volume, available space left, and a space that you have used, and how much percentage of the value of the data is still available. And as you see, there is no fragmentation information at the moment. You have about 7,000 files in here, and you could basically print this report and keep it as a documentation. And you can also click on Defragment right from this menu in order to be able to defragment your hard disk. Let's go ahead and click Defragment, and as you see, the defragmentation occurs, and basically we have to wait for this area in order to be completed, and by selecting this defragment, we have to wait a little bit longer in order for defragmentation to be completed. As you see, Windows operating system has detected that we are basically running a little bit of disk space. We are running out of a little bit of disk space over here, and it says to run effectively, this defragmenter requires at least 15% usable free space. Before running the disk defragmenter, you should delete some files or move files to another disk. Would you like to go ahead anyways without doing that option? I say yes. And as you see, the defragmentation has been completed. It still is actually doing the defragmentation in wait for the progress to be finished. As you see, the red line becomes a little bit narrower in comparison with the analysis. So this is before and this is after defragmentation. So we wait a little bit longer to see what would happen between the two. And eventually, as you see, that a small little fragmented area, it would be going away. After the progress is completed, you can see this message. You can view the report, or you could select Close. Basically, by clicking Close and closing the Defragmenter utility, you can now start working with your computer as usual.